Hi, I'm Hien Ear from the University of Iowa. I am a research assistant professor over there, and I specialize on neuroendocrine tumor research on the model development and understanding tumor biology. I've been very fortunate to actually have received 2 funding from NETRF. First was a Career Development Award with NANETS and NETRF, and that was on developing small bowel neuroendocrine tumor spheroid model. And then now I'm being funded by the Pilot Award, which is to focus on the serotonin metabolism in neuroendocrine tumors from the small bowel. I was trained as a biochemist. I studied protein-protein interaction, and I built sensors for doing drug screens, and I studied metabolism. And I happened to be in Iowa, which was a center of excellence for neuroendocrine tumor research, and I was recruited to the field. My projects are really about developing models of their disease and use these tumors that we get from the patient when they have their operation to get the tumor removed. So my project is about taking these tumors and then use them and culture them and then use them for drug testing, and then also to understand which drug works best for these tumors to kill them. But often what we see is that a lot of the drugs, they don't work, and so that's why it's important also to actually understand why they are so drug resistant. The key question is to better understand the tumor biology so that we understand how we can target them, what are their weak points, so that we can go in with improved therapy and so that we can actually provide our patient with better drugs in the future. My research project is directly impacting patients with small bowel neuroendocrine tumors, because not only is our project addressing the goal of finding new therapies for small bowel neuroendocrine tumor patients, but it's also addressing the side effect that the patient live with. So small bowel neuroendocrine tumors actually make a lot of serotonin, and this actually causes a lot of side effect for our patients. That's why we, in our lab, we dedicate a lot of our time to finding how to stop this, and hopefully that will have a direct impact on patients, both for controlling tumor growth, but also for giving them back a quality of life. I actually love the neuroendocrine tumor community. So I love my colleagues, my medical colleagues, my scientist colleagues, because they provided this such warm and welcoming communities for really focusing on the science and advancing it to the next level. I've actually gotten to meet patients and patient advocates, and this provides another level, another layer to the community that really helps propel my work and actually really makes me want to excel even more. So I keep going, and really I think this community is amazing. NETRF funding is really life-changing for my career, I would say. I was hired as a research faculty first, and then my second grant, it allowed me to transition and to get promoted into the tenure track. And so I'm really happy that the neuroendocrine tumor scientific community recognized my work, and also NETRF funded our research, and that has allowed me to really continue in science, to do what I do best, and to hopefully bring new therapies for our patient in the future. This is possible because of our donors, and I really thank them really from the bottom of my heart.